This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical Machine Design and Materials, Week 4, an 11-video course on power transmission, how power moves through a machine, shafts, bearings, gears, belts, chains, clutches, and brakes, with each formula indexed to the exact handbook section and page you'll look up on exam day. Weeks 1 through 3 covered how a part carries load and how parts connect. Week 4 is how power moves, shafts carry the torque, bearings let them spin, gears, belts, and chains change speed and torque, and clutches and brakes start and stop it. These Area 4 questions are 9 to 14 of the 80. This course makes them fast. Every video follows the same 4 beats: concept, setup, solve, traps. And whenever you see a formula, look for the yellow pill. It's the exact section and page in the NCEES Handbook 2.0. Practice finding those while you study. On exam day, fast handbook navigation is the whole game. Let's start. Topic 1 is shafts, keys, and power. How a shaft carries torque, how a key transmits it, and the power-speed relation. Tap the next video to begin. PE Prep Engine, free exam prep, built by a practicing engineer. If the course helps you, subscribe. That's the only ask.